Keep an eye on the feed rate.
Looks good, steady flow.
Watch for any foreign debris, please. The yield is impressive, running at 85%.
Wow.
Looks good. Keep monitoring the sorting accuracy closely. The machine is running smoothly. Looks like we're nearly through this batch. The calibration seems perfect.
Wow.
Excellent efficiency. Keep it going.
Here in the final distribution area, sealed packages are rapidly sorted and stacked by robotic arms for transport. The Chipmaster and Crispland fleets move tirelessly, ensuring fresh products arrive at distribution centers nationwide.
Which ones do you want?
I think I'll just get the blue bag today.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support the channel by giving it a like, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting videos. I'll be reading your comments.